Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox the HX1000i power supply from Corsair. It is a 1000 watt high performance 80 plus platinum certified ATX power supply with 100,000 hours of operation and a 10-year warranty. The dimensions are 150 wide, 86 high and 180 millimeters long. It costs around $300 on Amazon, see the link below. When we open the box, we find an information leaflet, warranty guide, sticker, some cable ties with 4 mounting screws. It is a fully modular power supply. Here is the sturdy bag with all the cables. The power supply itself is double bagged, one quality cloth bag and one plastic bag. Here we see all the connection ports for the power cables and the C-link cable that plugs into a USB header on your motherboard. To keep things cool is a 140mm fan with a fluid dynamic bearing that only comes on when necessary to reduce noise. It can be controlled using either iQ or Corsair Link app. I mounted it so that it helps to suck out air of the case. Let us have a look at all these stiff cables. 2 8-pin EPS 12V cables, 4 PCIe cables with 2 8-pin connectors each, 3 SATA cables with 4 connectors each, 2 Molex cables with 4 connectors each, 1 24-pin ATX, C-link cable and 1 floppy cable with 2 connectors. And there's also 2 Molex to fan power connectors. Please leave a comment, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.